Hey guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David, guess what? Today we are cleaning up the rail tracks right here behind the Johannesburg Art Gallery in Hillbrow, guys. Again, stay tuned because once again, this video will blow your mind.
Today we're gonna do the train tracks. So this is how thick the gloves are. You guys can see it. We got the tongues there. We got more stuff there. So yeah. And we are starting, guys. When we are starting, Joburg Park is again very filthy. So yeah, we're gonna start doing this. Okay, so the whole goal today is actually going to the train tracks to see and if we can clean that, guys. Yeah, crazy. It's gonna be an action movie today. We got two separate groups. This is one of them. City parks, do something because this park looks like a mess, guys. We need really to do something here. It's incredible what people throw away. There's someone sleeping there. There's actually a pool here. This is actually a pool. Look at that. Guys, so this is prime hijacked property. We got a burst pipe there that looks like a pool with a beautiful view from the park. Hey guys, look at this. This is a new bin. It's called the Post. Yo, look how deep is that, man. Okay, awesome. Hey, Angela from Japoma, you come to help us today.
Yes, I'm here helping out. Exactly, it's our responsibility also as the citizens of Johannesburg to also clean up after ourselves.
Good. Annie, what you doing, bro? Yo, look at this hijacked building. Guys, prime property. What the heck are they doing there? I thought this was hijacked. Are they cleaning windows?
What we are up against?
Oh my word! Oh, look at that! That is crazy, guys. We need to do all this. Oh wow! Yo, guys, this is like. Look at that side. Yo, we got so much work to do here. We can't do this only in one event. That's crazy. So it was just told me that that group makes part of the railways and they are supposed to clean this. But look, there is no impact being done, literally.
This one...
Oh, 4 guys are gonna do it. So I was asking some questions and they said they are renovating the building. So I want to know who is doing this, guys. If you guys know, let me know down in the comments. Well, let's do this. Let's jump to action. You see the difference as a nation, what we can do all together when everyone is fighting for the same objective. And the Bobcat is here. Literally 5 minutes to clean it. 5 minutes. Because about this private building, it has, you know, billboard and everything, but it looks like crap. Private owners, you guys should also make sure that you also help to clean the road, guys. It's for your own business, for your own pocket. Is this hijacked also, this one? No. Not sure. See, seems to be just yeah, seems to be okay, this one. Almost there, guys. I'm gonna jump now into the rail tracks. I'm not sure if this is official or unofficial entrance to the tracks. Just curious to see. Is it here? No. It seems like... Sorry, Mary? Oh, this is definitely not a safe entrance. can't request people just to go down here like this. Gold mine of this building. How many people are living here? 2 to 3 million probably a month. Yeah, what a gold mine here. This part here is actually a very hardcore part of Joburg Park, because I was here once. Look at that. Jeez, nothing is done here, bro. Guys, this is like full of foreign nationals, literally. It's all hijacked. Jeez, man, this place here is hectic. There's people throwing things to the track. We had this guy telling us Johannesburg is very dirty. If Home Affairs was doing the work properly, they will not speaking like this. We're being disrespected in our own country. Amazing, eh? Shit, is that a makeshift toilet? Oh, wow! You want a Home Affairs operation, guys? Home Affairs, just come here. There's a lot of the work to do here. This is where all these people living, and this is where they throw the garbage out. Okay, finally. Okay, let's do what we have to do. Sure, this place looks a mess. Yo! So everyone actually made a plan to go down here. Let's be safe. Hey! Bro, are you okay? Ay. Ah, it's fine, is it? Iron Man. Okay, let's take care of this. Let's get some stuff. Yeah, this is how we revolt, guys. We do it our own way. Next elections, vote properly, guys. So this doesn't happen. Look at this. Look at all this. We need to take care of our own spaces, guys. So we're not going to go anywhere. Civic pride, that's what we need to have. Go, guys. Well done, well done, well done. Look at that. Well, you can fill a bag like this in 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes per bag. The more people, the more bags we fill up. The Praza team working on the ground. Thank you. Like I say, if we don't sort out the problem that we have here in Joburg Park, this will never stop, literally. This will never stop. Also need to fix the walls there. Yeah, guys, it's not easy. This is actually a good idea. If it was a little bit bigger, it will be perfect. Should have brought my boots actually. So guys, can we get some help here, please? Okay, I just need someone to... Can you help me out, bro? Thank you. Sorry, man. Thanks so much. Yeah, guys, this is a very hard... We're putting our lives at risk just to do this. It's no joke. Thank you. The train's not passing today. Strange, eh? Yeah. Sure. It's too much grass, we don't even know if there is a hole or something there. You just think. Yeah. Paying our taxes and still doing this, eh guys? How amazing is this? It's just there is no plan to have the city under control. Seriously, man, this is... It's cleaning up events, just show the... Thanks, bro. Just show what we need to do in order to, you know, please try to get some civic education. But again, people with no rules, they don't respect anything, they just throw things away. This is not acceptable. Okay, we need to do better. As institutions in this city, we really need to do this better. This is not acceptable.
Imagine how many times I passed by here with rain and not much changed. We can't even clean that stuff because it's just full of diseases and stuff, guys. It's just, yeah. Just can only clean very superficially. That's where the car is going. I need to throw those bags somewhere. You see how quickly we fill the bags? Cool, eh? Okay, so it's like that guy there. Okay, there's something. Good. Very happy to see that. It's not sufficient to come here and just cut grass. You need to remove the grass. Because this is making our job so much difficult. We're leaving a lot of garbage behind, even knowing we're doing so much at the moment. See guys, cleaning this is a cultural thing. Guys, can you help us out cleaning? Don't you want to help us out? It's only half of the people are working. This is the right way to do it. Instead of leaving garbage around, we leave bags full of garbage around. And then they are collected. You guys are going to clean that now. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. Guys, we didn't clean there because very hazardous. But look at this. We're already making a huge difference around here. So this is what I have to say to you lazy politicians. Instead of going to the nice things, inaugurations or whatever, come to the ground and come and clean it. Seriously. Boom. 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 Such a cool game. Collecting garbage bags. Gamifying the game. All of you guys that litter around Johannesburg, you only understand the pain of what you are doing when you come here and start cleaning up yourselves. It's not okay, guys. So pick it up, just a thing. Let's make a cleanup event and just bring the bobcats here to do something, because there is so much we can do. We can't also make that. We need a big bobcat, bring the truck, bring everything, make a plan. We waste so much money. We could get 500 people in one morning, pay them and clean all of this. Done. And put some type of protections in order for people not to throw anything over that wall or that wall there or whatever. Something so simple, but no. No. Simple ideas are never done. A bit of positive reinforcement, at least Praza has a team on the ground. At least they're doing slowly but surely. What the heck is that? Guys, we're cleaning the rail tracks today and the train is coming. It's actually my first time outside of the train and doing this. We're almost done. We just keep leaving bags along the way so the Parazi team can pick them up. Guys, try to see if you can do something with more lights inside of the station because it's super dark. Looking for that. It's like if you want to be a security in Park Station, one of the things that you have to have in this case is like a good eyesight, because you can't even see where you're walking. Shame, we're still picking up garbage along the way. Sis, we are here. We're in Park Station. Actually, the Park Station looks really good, guys. Look at that.
It's
Look at
beautiful.
that. It's very nice. We tired. We work our asses off. I'm just not only here taking a video. I'm actually helping, guys. Yeah, like I say, if you guys want to do something, clean the rails.
Yes.
Move those foreign nationals because that place looks like crap, guys. Again, make sure you share, subscribe, and destroy that like button. And we'll see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.
Peace out.